Hey guys, it's Nick from Tech for the Blind here. I will talk about using eSight 3 outdoors today, and how to get the most out of it. So as you see, the mouse, I can see pretty far with these things. I can see the trees, the clouds, of course, the grass, and the ripples, and the water. And so let's say I want to look at something that's far away, but the screen's acting funky. So let's go into the settings and go to camera, go to exposure, and go to manual, and I might be able to get a better view of it. And now my exposure is set to manual. And I can zoom in and clearly say, no swimming or diving. A little sign at the pond here. It's not sunny out, it's very overcast. Yeah, let's walk a few feet. I want to show you guys something real quick that might help you in a different lighting situation. Okay, now the sun's coming back out, actually. Let's look around here. So sometimes you might experience a screen flicker if you're on autofocus and it's bright outside, but it's not that bad right now. And so that's it. Adjusting the exposure can help with as well, making sure you get the best picture when you're outside. In a few minutes, in a few seconds, you'll see that when it's bright outside like it is right now, if I turn autofocus back on, the screen flicker as you see, the sun came out behind the clouds, and so it's brighter. And so the screen's trying to get the best focus, and that's why it flickers. And that's why it's always best when you're outside to use the manual exposure instead of using auto. I hope this video was both informative and useful for you. Have a good day. There will be more videos coming out soon. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.